standing side bend. So we're going to cross, say, right leg in front of the left leg, right arm reaches up and over towards the left side. Then we swap over. Left foot crosses over the right leg, left arm reaches up, side bend over to the other side. So here, things to consider. Crossing the leg over, you don't rotate your hip, so try and keep your hips square. So if you need to place the foot a little bit in front of the other one to be able to maintain that balance, then that's okay. Then the arm, we go for length, so we're lifting the rib cage away from the hip bone. So we're pulling the hip bone down, lifting the rib cage up. That gives us the length. Length is more important than trying to come down as low as possible. So height, and then maintaining that length you've created, then start to bend. Hips then can slide towards the opposite direction to what you're reaching your arm to. Keep the belly drawn in. Also try and avoid rolling down like this. We would avoid that by getting that lift and maintaining height. Belly in, reach, lean. Push the feet down to create more anchoring. You can also do the seated if need be, but just by doing the arms, try not to let the rib cage flip upwards. So that's why we need to keep the belly tight and just focus on lengthening in the side.